Afternoon students, in our previous classes we have completed the exercise number 2.2. Okay, now in today's class we will start the new topic called relation between addition and subtraction. You can find this heading in your textbook in the page number 49. Okay, please open your textbook and come to the relation between addition and subtraction. Okay, I will write here relation between addition and subtraction. Okay. Now so when you use the relation between addition and subtraction, means what is the meaning of relation between addition and subtraction? Addition and subtraction are interrelated. Addition and subtraction are interrelated. We can use the addition to cross check any subtraction sum. Similarly, to cross check addition sum, we can use the subtraction. Okay. To cross check the addition means to cross check the subtraction sum, we use the addition. In the same way, to cross check the addition sum, we use the subtraction. Okay. Now, how it is means, let us see through one example. So, they have given you one example. Reena purchased a house. Reena purchased a house worth rupees 59,099. Sorry, it is 59,99,990, and a car worth rupees 3,05,911. Okay, find the total amount she spent. Full stop. Find the total amount she spent. This is the question. In the question what they have given. So Reena purchased one house which costs 59,99,990, and she also purchased one car, so which is 3,05,911. So they are asking you to find the total amount she spent. So to find the total amount she spent, we need to add the price of house and also the price of car. Then only you will get the total amount she spent. Okay, now let us add the price of house and the price of car. Okay. Now I will add these two. 0 plus 1 is 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. I will write 0. Take 1 as a carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 9. Write 9. Take 1 as a carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Take 1 as a carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10 only. Write 0. Take 1 as a carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. I will write 3 here. Take 1 as a carry. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. So you can see 63,05,901. So it is the total amount Reena spent. So how we have got this much? We have got 63,05,901 by adding the price of house and also the price of car. Okay. Now, so she wants to cross check the answer. She means who here? Reena wants to cross check this result. Okay. So for that, what she will do is she will use one formula. So I will write here that one. Total amount is minus price of car is equal to price of house. Okay. From the total amount, this much is the total amount. From this total amount, if you subtract the price of car, which is 3,05,911, you will get the price of house. Okay. After subtraction of the price of car from the total amount, if you will get the price of house, then only the total amount means the result whatever we have got is called as the cross-checked one or the correct one. Okay, now let us subtract the price of car from the total amount. I will subtract here. The total amount is how much here? It is 63,05,901. From this I will subtract the price of car. It is how much it is? It is 3,05,911. Okay. So see here I will subtract 1 minus 1 means 0. 0 minus 1 is not possible because 0 is smaller than 1. For that I will take 1, borrow. So now this 0 becomes 10. Here we have to take 10 minus 1 is nothing but 9. 8 minus 9 is also not possible. For that I will take 1, borrow from this 5. Now this 5 becomes what? This 5 becomes 4. Here it becomes 18. 18 minus 9 is 9 only. Now 4 minus 5 is also not possible because 4 is smaller than 5. For that I will take 1, borrow from its neighbor. Its neighbor is 0. But 0 is also not having anything. For that I will take 1, borrow from its neighbor. Its neighbor is 3. If I take 1, borrow from this 3, now this 0 becomes 10. Here we have this 2. Now for 4 we can take 1, borrow from this 10. If I take 1, borrow from this 10, this 4 becomes 14. Here we left with 9. 14 minus 5 is how much? 14 minus 5 is 9 only. Here 9 minus 0 is 9. Okay. Now 2 minus 3 is also not possible because 2 is smaller than 3. For that I will take 1, borrow from this 6. Now this 2 becomes 12. Here we left with 5. Okay, 12 minus 3 is, you will get 9 only. Write 5 as it is. So if I subtract price of car from total amount, I should get price of car. So here I have subtracted price of car from the total amount and I have got this much answer, which is nothing but the price of house. Okay. So here we have got the price of house when we have subtracted the price of car from the total amount. Okay. So we have cross-checked the answer like this. Okay. Now the result whatever we have got, that is 63,05,901 is called as the cross-checked one. Okay. And we can also call it as a correct one. Okay. Now let us come to the second problem. Subtract the following and check your answer. Okay. Subtract the following and check your answer. So this is the second problem in the example. So what they have given? Subtract the following and check your answer. Subtract the following and check your answer. Okay, they have given two numbers 8160 63 104 minus 4235 91860. So we need to subtract these two numbers. I will write the two numbers in the column form. 8160 63 104 60 8195324. Now subtract. So if I subtract 0 from 4, I will get 4 only. Now from 0 we cannot subtract 6. Okay, for that I will take 1, borrow from this one. Now this 0 becomes 10. Here we have 0. 10 minus 6 is how much? 10 minus 6 is nothing but 4. Okay. Now here we are having 0. We cannot subtract 8 from 0. For that I will take 1, borrow from this 3. Now this 0 becomes 10. Here we have 2. Now subtract 8 from 10. If you subtract 8 from 10, what you will get? You will get 2. Now 2 minus 1 is 1 only. 6 minus 9 is not possible because 6 is smaller than 9. For that I will take 1, borrow from this. Its neighbor is 0. For that I will take 1, borrow from the neighbor of 0. Here we are having 6. So So now take one borrow from this 6. Now this 0 becomes 10. Here we left with 5. Now you can take one borrow from the 10. Here after taking one borrow, this 6 becomes 16. Here we left with 9. 16 minus 9, if you subtract 9 from 16, you will get 7. Okay. Now 9 minus 5. If you subtract 5 from 9, you will get 4. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. So 1 minus 2 is not possible. For that I will take one borrow from this 8. Now this 1 becomes 11. Here we get with 7. 11 minus 2 is what? 11 minus 2 is 9. 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay. So this is the answer after subtraction of these two numbers. So we need to cross check the answer. Means we need to check the answer. So it is called as minor. It is the subtrahend. So the result whatever we have got is known as the difference. So we have learned what is the meaning of minor and subtrahend and difference in your 4th class. I will once again explain here. Minor means the number from which another number is being subtracted. So here this is known as the minor because it is a number from which another number is being subtracted. From this number we are subtracting this one. So that's why we can call this one as the minor. Okay. Now subtrahend. Subtrahend is what? Subtrahend is a number which is being subtracted. Okay, here we are subtracting this one from this. It is being subtracted from this. So that's why we can call this one as the subtrahend. So difference is the result whatever we will get after the subtraction of two numbers. Okay. After the subtraction of these two numbers, we have got this much as the result. So this result is nothing but your difference. Okay. Now, how will you check the answer? To check the answer, we are having the formulas. Simple formulas are there. You have seen these formulas even in your 4th standard also. I will write here once again. Okay. So these are the two formulas. Check the answer. Okay. You can use any formula. I will use the first formula to check the result whatever we have got is correct or not. For that what I will do? I will add the value of subtrahend with the value of difference. Then I should get the value of minor. Then only the result we have got here is considered as the correct one. Okay. Now let us add. Here we are having the difference. So I will write 392471 244. To this I will add the value of subtrahend. How much it is? It is now add these two. 40 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 8 is how much? It is 11. Write 1. Take 1 as a carry. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Now 9 plus 7 if you add, you will get 16. I will write here 6. Take 1 as a carry. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Write here 0. Take 1 as a carry. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay. Now 9 plus 2 is how much? 9 plus 2 is 11. Write here 1. Take 1 as a carry. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. So check whether we have got the value of minor or not. So minor value is how much? It is 81 crore 60 lakh 63,104. So here also we have got 81 lakh 60,000. Sorry, 81 crore 60 lakh 63,104. Okay. So like this we have cross checked the result. Okay. So please take down these two formulas which will be useful for you to cross check any problem. Okay. Now Now let us move to the next problem, simplification. Okay, it is the next topic, simplification. So what do you mean by simplification? Simplification means to find the answers. Okay, to find the answers is known as the simplification. So I will read the content which is given in the textbook. To simplify sums involving both the addition and subtraction, first add and then subtract. So to simplify the sums means the problems. To simplify the problems involving both addition and subtraction, first add then subtract. In any sum, if they have given you both the addition and subtractions, then what you will do first? You will do the addition first and then you should subtract. Okay, now we will see one problem based on this, so you will get the clear idea about the simplifications. Okay, now I will write the question here. 9238 4482 minus 6734 5783 plus 3625 8428. Now they have given you three numbers and we are having the minus symbol between these two numbers and we are having the addition symbol between these two numbers. So what they have given? To simplify the sums involving both addition and subtraction, first add and then subtract. So here we are having the sum which is involving both the addition and subtraction. So for these kinds of problems, what you need to do? You need to do addition first and then subtract. Okay. Now what you will do? You should add. Here I will add this number and this number. Okay. Because this number is also having plus, this is also having plus symbol. So group the two numbers which are having the same symbol, that is the addition symbol, one side. I will group this number and the third number one side. 92384482 plus I will write this number 36258428. Next I will write this one minus 67345783. Okay. Now let us do the addition first. I will add these two numbers. I will write in column 9283448282485263. Now add these two numbers. Now 8 plus 2 is 10. Write 0, take 1 as a carry. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Write 1, take 1 as a carry. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. 8 plus 4 is 12. Write 2, take 1 as a carry. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is how much? It is 14. Write here 4 and take 1 as a carry. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now 6 plus 2 is 8. 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay. Now, so after addition of these two numbers, we have got the result as this much. So in place of these two numbers, I will write this one. Okay. From this one, I will subtract this. Okay. Now, so I will write 1286 42 910 in place of these two numbers, because after adding these two numbers only I have got this much, so I can write the result in place of these two numbers. Okay, and write the third number as it is, minus 67345783. Now subtract this number from this one. Okay, then what you will get? If I subtract, So there is a minus symbol in between these two numbers, but here we are subtracting this one from this. So because here the first number is the bigger one, from this bigger number we are subtracting the second one. So now let us subtract 12, 86, 42, 9, 10. From this I am subtracting the second one. Okay. Now subtract. 10 minus 3 is not possible. I will take one borrow. Here 0 becomes 10. Here we have with 0. 10 minus 3 is 7. Here 0 minus 8 is not possible. For that I will take one borrow. Now this 0 becomes 10. Here we have with 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now 8 minus 7 is 1. Now 2 minus 5 is not possible. For that I will take one borrow from this 4. Now this 2 becomes 12. Here we have with 3. 12 minus 5 is 7. Here 3 minus 4 is not possible. For that I will take one borrow from this 6. Now this 3 becomes 13. Here we have with 5. 30 minus 4 is what? 30 minus 4 is 9. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 7 is what? 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 minus 6 is not possible. Okay. So for that I will consider this. If this one comes to this and this becomes 12, you can write 0 in place of 0. This one. Okay. 12 minus 6, if you do, you will get 6 only. Okay. So this is the result. So this is called as the final result. Final result of this whole problem. The final result of this whole problem is what? This much. So the symbol of the above number is plus and the symbol of the below number is minus. But in the answer, what you will write the symbol as? Plus 1. So if you write plus or if you don't write, it doesn't makes any difference, because when you write nothing, it is considered as a plus 1. Here plus is because here the symbol of the greater number is plus only. So that's why in the result also we will have the symbol of the greater number. Here the symbol of the greater number is plus. So here also the symbol of the result is plus only. Okay. Now the result of this total sum is what? This much. Okay. So what we have done in this problem? We have connected the numbers having the same symbol one side. That is, we have connected the numbers having the plus symbol one side, and we have added, then we have subtracted that result from this number, and we have got the result this much. Okay. So this is the problem or the sum which comes under the simplification method. Okay. Now let us move to the second problem. So this is also simplification problem only. I will write the question here. 431505 826 plus, sorry, it is not plus, it is minus 17 just a minute. The question is 3782 58109. Okay. Plus 5324 7717 minus 1763 0919. Okay. Now in the same sum, if they have given you the addition and also the subtraction, we should first add. Okay. So here we should add first. Now we will use the addition process first, then we will subtract. Okay. Now here no need of correcting the numbers having the same symbols, because already they have given you in the arranged form. So here it is also having plus symbol, this one is also having plus symbol, but it is having the minus symbol. So now let us add these two. Let us now first do the additions. Now I I will add these two numbers. First of all, I will write those two numbers in the column form. Then I will add. Okay. Now let us add. Now 9 plus 7 becomes how much? Becomes 16. I will write here 6. Take 1 as a carry. 1 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 7 is how much? 8 plus 7 becomes 15. You please calculate in your notes. Okay. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. I will write 0. Take 1 as a carry. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 plus 3 is how much? 8 plus 3 becomes 11. I will write here 1. Take 1 as a carry. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 is how much? 8 plus 5 becomes 30. I will write 3. Take 1 as a carry. 4. Okay. So this is the result we have got after adding these two numbers. Okay. Now in place of these two numbers I can write this one. Okay. So what I will do is I will write the result of the addition of the two numbers. Okay. In place of these two numbers I will write the result which we have got after adding those two numbers. So now I have written the result and now write minus symbol. Okay. So here we need to subtract this number from this one. Now let us subtract 431505 826 from this. I will subtract this one. Now let us subtract. See here 6 minus 9 is not possible. For that I will take one borrow. This 6 becomes 16. Here we left with 1. 16 minus 9 becomes how much? It becomes 7. 1 minus 1 is 0 only. 8 minus 9 is not possible. For that I will take one borrow. This 8 becomes 18. Here we left with 4. 18 minus 9 is 9 only. 4 minus 0 is 4 only. 0 minus 3 is not possible. For that I will take one borrow from this 5. Now this 0 becomes 10. Here we left with 4. 10 minus 3 is how much? It is 7. 4 minus 6 is not possible. For that I will take one borrow. Now this 4 becomes 14. Here we have 0. 14 minus 6 is 14 minus 6 is 8. Okay. Now 0 minus 7 is also not possible. For that I will take one borrow from its neighbor. So now this 0 becomes 10. Here we have 2. 10 minus 7 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. I will write 4 as it is. Okay. So this is the result. We can also call it as the final result. So how we have got this much? First of all we have added these two numbers, and after adding these two numbers, whatever the result we have got, from that result we have subtracted this number. Okay, after subtraction the result whatever we have got is known as the final result. Okay, so this is the final result. You can write in your textbook, but already they have given you. Okay, so like this you can simplify the problems. Like this you can solve the problems involving both the addition and subtraction. At first what you need to do? You need to do the addition first, then you can subtract. Okay. So today we have solved two example problems which are based on the cross-check methods. Okay, and we have also solved the two simplification method problems. Okay, in our next class we will go through the next problem. Okay, understood students? Okay, thank you.